So let me move on to the next one, which is sometimes you what is it, Nehali?
Singleton objects. Are we moving to singleton?
No, this slide, Varargs, variable arguments. Okay, so this is just a small miscellaneous topic that got in between in the slides. So anyway, I thought I will explain. Okay, we'll go to singleton after this. Okay. So methods with variable arguments. So even in sometimes you don't know how many variables that your method may expect. If you see our println statement, our println is also one of the function, right? So whatever the println that we are calling, so if you pass one parameter, that will run. If you don't pass, if you just pass multiple parameters also, so by concatenated, it will take that as a string and it will run. But you don't know sometimes how many parameters that you may expect. But how many are parameters that you pass? With those many parameters, you want to execute your function. In that case, what we can do is very simple in Scala. You just declare that. So let's say I want to write my custom print all function. I don't know how many parameters that I pass to this. Generally, I define my variable name and colon the data type. Now, if you specify the star there, so this combination of strings colon string type can be any number of occurrences. Star means the same, your Unix meaning, either 0 or more. So if there is any, if there more than a one value, so you can treat that like an array or as a collection. But since we didn't talk about collection, that's why I'm giving you a array name. But ideally, this is like a collection, a list, and on lists we have a function called for each. Okay, for each element of this list. So now, how many are the arguments that you receive for each argument? So do your logic. You can write your logic inside this for each. It can be multi-line statements also. Here, since you just have a println, but here you can have a multi-line statements also inside your for each also as well. Now, so what I am doing here, so collection dot for each. So that means for every element of this, just println. This is similar to ampersand args in Python. Yes. Okay, just try this. Just I declared that with okay. So if you call this print all without any arguments, no issues. It will not complain anything. Okay. And if you pass only Nehali, just it prints you that. If you pass Nehali, comma Patel, I think this is your surname, Nehali. That's why I'm using.
Yes, that's my surname.
Okay. So if you use some other name, any number of arguments, this keeps on running.
Jags is missing today, so you can't use his name.
Yeah, I know. I observed that.
Yeah, you can use Revati.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
So this way, if you don't know how many number of parameters that you expect, but all those parameters are of similar type, one thing that should be, they all should be of same data type. Otherwise, you'll not be able to specify that in. Okay, so that is of that variable args method.
Even if I pass a number 100, that will consider it as a string, right?
String, correct. Okay.
Hey Shiva.
Yes, Raj.
I have one question. Like in Java, we have to keep the variable argument parameter at last.
Correct.
Your voice is breaking. Who is speaking?
My voice or Raj?
No, Raj or who is speaking? His voice was completely broken. I could not hear anything.
Okay, so my question is that in the variable argument method, variable argument parameter has to be the last parameter, right?
Yep.
It's the same as the Java.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. It's the same as a Java. Because you don't know what were the, the same reason as in Java. Okay.